Because we often need to pull data from multiple sources, you will need to merge the data into one dataset for analysis. In this video, we will walk through how to merge data gathered from your student information system and Mentor Collective's partner dashboard. This merge is possible by identifying a unique common data point in both datasets and conducting either a VLOOKUP or XLOOKUP to pull related data. In this video, we'll be walking through a VLOOKUP. Let's say we're starting with data pulled from our partner dashboard for our analysis, but we do need information from our student information system, specifically GPA. So if we want to pull that GPA data into this tab, we can create a new column here. I'm going to call it GPA. And then to start the VLOOKUP for this first student, I'll type equals VLOOKUP with an open parentheses. And it tells us here each value needed for this formula. The first being search key. And this is the key that we want to look up in our second data set. In this case, we're going to use institution ID or school ID since it's a unique static data point that we have in both data sets. And I'll just select that first cell for this student with a comma. And now we're looking for range. And this is where you want to look for this search key and the return value. In this case, that information all lives in our student information tab. We will start by making sure we include institution ID since that's our search key and drag over to the data that we want to return, in this case, GPA. Another comma, and now we're looking for index. And this is the column number in the range we've selected containing the value you want to import. So in this case, our search value is the first column, and the values we want to return GPA are in the second column. So we'll type in 2. With another comma, and isSorted is referencing whether you want to use the approximate or exact match to your search key. Typically, you want the exact match, which is what we want in this case as well, so I'll type false. Close the parentheses and click return, and now you have imported GPA for this very first user. And to apply this to the rest of the people in your data set, you can just double click on this little corner here. And now you have GPA data for all of the students in your analysis. And we've managed to merge all of our data into one data source, and you can actually begin conducting your analysis.